Guys, welcome back to a new video. In this case, I'm going to show you how to pin a comment on Instagram. Well, in this case, to pin a comment, you very important. It has to be in your own Instagram. For example, if I go to another video that is not it's not mine. For example, this video, I'm going into the comments, and then I want to pin this comment. For example, it doesn't work. It doesn't work because it's not mine. This post is not mine, and that's why it doesn't work. And it doesn't work. And in this case, if I go to my own Instagram, for example, this video, or this, let me see, this video, for example, and I select on comments, and then I want to pin this comment. It works now. For example, let me pin this comment, and now it's already been pinned. And so this is how to pin a comment on Instagram. I hope you like this video. Leave your like and subscribe for sure. And if you have any comments, please put them below here, and see you in the next one.